Now we've got a driveline socket set to look at today in standard or SAE. This is sent to me from Workpro, so let's open it up and take a closer look. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. This is a 7-piece half-inch drive 12-point driveline socket set in standard or SAE, and I'm real excited to take a look at this. So let's open it up and see what comes included. Now it comes in a really nice blow molded case. Some of the other ones I've got are pretty flimsy. This one seems to be pretty solid. Let's get rid of this paper here. This is just kind of an oil soaked paper to keep these from corroding or rusting, I guess during storage or shipping. But now it's somewhat of a specialty socket, I would call this, you know, designed for drive lines or tight spaces, anywhere where you would need a 12-point socket and you don't have the room or don't want to stack, you know, extensions and a universal wobble or anything like that. This is a one-piece design. Helps transfer more torque directly to the fastener. Now, as far as the total length on each one, we're just under 5 inches or right around 4 3/4 inches. That's a perfect length for, you know, driveline or driveshaft bolts or even, you know, U-joint straps. This will fit into some of those tight spots, and you have up to 30 degrees of a working angle here with this universal. Now this is a pinned universal, and I do feel that when I rotate this, but it's still very smooth. You can see that these are also made of chrome moly steel rather than chrome vanadium, so it is a tougher material, better for impact. And of course we do have the 12-point design in each one of these. It's a really nice thin wall here out at the end of the socket where you need that for access. Now this is the 5/16. It goes all the way up to 3/4 of an inch. We've got 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, ½ inch, 9/16, 11/16, and the 3/4 inch. Let's take a look at the 3/4 inch here. There's a better shot of the 12-point. And again, that pinned universal still feels very smooth, and these will definitely get the job done. Now this is the 7-piece set, but they also sell these individually. Now this one here, they also sent me, it's the ½ inch size, which is one of the more common sizes. Pretty nice, I've got 2 of them now. They also sell, I believe, the 3/8 size separately as well. Now the 3/8 inch and ½ inch are going to be probably the most commonly used sizes, especially on drive lines and U-joints. But if you work on heavy machinery, there's lots of other situations where you're gonna run into a fastener that is 12-point and you need something like this to get the job done. Now I'm glad that they sent me this entire 7-piece set, and I would love to have a metric version of this as well. It's gonna cover me for a lot of things that I may run into. I just don't have any heavy trucks here right now or a Jeep or anything like that that would require using these or showing these. Now if you work on trucks or heavier equipment or even Jeeps, this would be a really nice set to have at the ready. You know, again, having these sockets or this specialty socket as a one-piece, more of the power from your impact is going to transfer into that fastener because you've basically got an extension, a universal, and a socket all in one tool. So rather than stacking all of those tools together, which at each joint you would lose some torque, so having this all in one, it really does help reduce some of that torque loss with more power directly to the fastener, and that's going to help you get that job done quicker. So really impressed with these and really happy that Workpro reached out and sent these to me in exchange for this quick little unboxing and review video. But that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up this 7-piece set along with some of those individual sizes as well. Thanks so much for watching and good luck.